Paige's Garage. We finally made it. We are at British Car Day, and I mean, just look at all the stunning cars. I'm so excited to be here. I cannot wait to meet all of you and chat with you and show you guys around the show. So let's enjoy British Car Day. There's still so much like to do in here, but I mean, I don't know.
The next car.
I know. There's so many I want.
Once you get one,
I know.
you keep it on the road.
Yes.
And you get another road.
So I made the jump to the Lotus Elise.
Okay.
And, 7 years ago.
Wow.
So, yeah.
And you're enjoying it? You're happy with the decision? Okay.
Absolutely. I've actually made I'm a manufacturer now. I make a cup holder and a phone mount and other accessories for the interior.
Oh my gosh, that's one of the, I want a cup holder so bad. So I'll have to, do you like do it just for the Lotuses, or do you like,
well,
because that's something I want. Like
a mount to any horizontal surface basically.
Okay.
You can probably mount it underneath your glove box.
Has it been treating you well? Good so far?
I did a complete flame off.
Okay.
Frame off
Okay. Wow. So huge. Oh my gosh. Wow. Well, it looks stunning.
I haven't done any engine work on it. But
okay.
It was mostly done before that.
That's great. Yeah.
The first spit.
Yeah.
It was like that. And I had stripped it all off.
How'd you strip it off?
Gasoline.
Yeah? Because I need, like, it's disgusting. You touch it and it gets everything dirty. And so that's something I would like, that I really want to do.
It's so much prettier.
Oh my gosh, yeah, so much better. So that's a big one I want to do.
Not even a Spitfire engine.
Oh yeah? That's
from a
cool.
Triumph Dolomite.
Oh yeah, those are where my rims are from actually, my wheels. Yeah, they're from a Dolomite Sprint. It's a 73. Yeah. But my engine now is mostly from a 76 engine, but I have like sprinklings of the 73 too. I kind of put them together to make it work.
What can go wrong will go wrong.
Yes, I've learned that. If there's anything gonna go, it's gonna go.
If you're gonna spend $1,000, you'll spend $5,000.
Yeah.
I really am impressed.
Thank you. Thank you.
I might be sitting in my living room, you upload one, like, oh, okay, let's go see what it is, and then you listen to it. But I put your voice up louder so my daughters can hear.
Oh my gosh.
And they go like, Dad, what are you listening to? I'm like, look, see?
Come
'Cause
on.
I have a Spitfire too. So
That's
they go,
awesome.
See, they like it. Young
Oh,
people like it.
that's so funny. I get it, I get it. Well, enjoy the show.
You too.
I want to get a picture of you with the car.
Yes.
You and your dad.
Perfect. Here, do you want to do it maybe if you get the sign here too, or you this way? Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh, I didn't mean to take this. How are you doing? I'm for photo op over here. There we go. Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
Say smile because you always smile.
Oh sure, get him over. All right.
I'm trying to say that I'm absolutely blown away by this. I honestly, I always believed in you, but this is amazing.
You did it.
We did it. All right, how's it going?
So when you posted last week that you were about to put the engine in, was
Yeah.
that really last week?
Yeah, no, so we put the engine in. That video was a little bit later. It was probably like maybe a week after it actually happened, but everything else was pretty on time. So it took us time to get it running, and then a couple days after we got it running, we had the electrical fire, and that was like 3 days ago. Yeah, so I just ended up posting all that stuff yesterday. Yeah, no, it's all good. Yeah, so yesterday I got up to date. So now it's officially like up to date. Everyone knows what's happening. We drove it here.
You're down near Essex or something.
Oh, yeah. So it was a far.
This is a brand new award at British Car Day. We've never done this before. When we started planning for our 40th anniversary late last year, we tossed around a few ideas to celebrate the occasion. This idea stuck because it gives everyone who comes to the show a chance to vote for their favorite car, something that we've never done before. Participants have always been able to vote on other cars, but not anyone who walks in. This award is named after past British Car Day champion and past TTC president Dave Sims, who passed away suddenly in May of this year. Dave loved the idea behind the award, and we, the British Car Day Committee, felt it fitting to name the award after him. Dave was a driving force behind British Car Day for 12 years. His legacy will live on at future British Car Days through this award. I'd like to introduce Dave Lambert from Silverwax to come up, and he's got a couple of words about his relationship with Dave, and then we'll present the award.
Hi everybody. I'm not going to keep you long because there's a lot of awards to get through, and I'm sure you'd much rather get your award than listen to me. So I've got a long history with British Car Day going back over 13 years, and I knew Dave Sims for basically all of that time. This is my first time physically back at the show in a long time, and I wanted to come back to do my small part in honouring Dave and what he's done for this show, and taking nothing away from all these other great guys that do a fantastic job putting the show on every year. So we wanted to give a silver wax gift away specifically for the Dave Sims Memorial Award, and this is the Spectator's Choice Award, and that goes out to Chris Steer. Blue TR7 76, Chris.
And in third place, car 643 Sage Aurora.
Yeah.
Okay everyone, yesterday was such an incredible day. I had an amazing time meeting all of you. You all taught me so much. I had a lot of questions about things that I still want to do with the car, and you all had so much expertise and knowledge to share with me, so thank you for that. And just thank you for coming and introducing yourself to me. It was such a fun day. I really cannot believe we made it. She got a little rained on last night, but that's okay. Anyways, it is time to head back home, but I hope you all enjoyed British Car Day, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!